Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to review bot performance and flow submissions, then export data for analysis. Start in Reports and open Bot. This report provides performance metrics for AI agent activity over the selected reporting period. Use the date range to control which bot activity is included in the report. Changing the reporting period updates the available historical data, allowing managers to compare activity across different time frames. Next, open Flow Submissions to review records associated with completed flow conversations. Select a flow that contains submission activity. In this example, Mampu AI website contains historical submission records. Each row represents a submission associated with the selected flow. The report can include submission time, contact information, source information, labels, and other fields available for that flow. Configure Columns lets you control which available fields are displayed in the submission table. You now know how to review bot reporting, select a flow with submission activity, adjust the reporting period, inspect submission records, and configure the available report fields. Subscribe us for the next part.